You see people making millions on crypto, you see the tweets, you see the gains, you see the lifestyles, and you wonder how. What do they know that you don't? What's the secret? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm showing you exactly how real money gets made in crypto. Not gambling, not luck, not insider secrets. A skill, a real skill you can learn right now. And by the end of this video, you'll have deployed your own token to an actual blockchain using the exact same workflow professionals use. Subscribe right now. Turn on notifications. This is the content that changes everything. Let's get one thing straight. The people making real money in crypto aren't guessing. They understand the infrastructure. They know how things actually work. They can deploy contracts. They can launch tokens. They can build. And that's what separates them from everyone else just buying and hoping. Today, you stop hoping. Today, you start building. Smash that like button if you're ready. Let's dive in. First, you need a wallet. Not some random wallet. MetaMask. The industry standard. Over 30 million users. If you're serious about crypto, you need MetaMask installed. Go to metamask.io, download the extension for your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Brave, whatever you use, create a new wallet, write down your seed phrase. This is critical. Your seed phrase is the master key to your wallet. 12 words. Write them on paper, not in a notes app, not in a screenshot. Paper. Store it somewhere safe. If you lose those words, you lose everything. If someone else gets those words, they take everything. This isn't optional. This is Crypto 101. Now here's the thing. We're not spending real money today. We're using Sepolia testnet. Sepolia is Ethereum's testing environment. It works exactly like mainnet. Same transactions, same gas mechanics, same everything. But the ETH is fake, worthless. You can make mistakes for free. You can learn without risk. This is how every serious developer started. You think Vitalik just started deploying to mainnet day one? No. Testnet first. Always testnet first. You need test ETH. Go to sepoliafaucet.com or Google Sepolia Faucet. These are free ETH dispensers run by the Ethereum Foundation and major infrastructure companies. Connect your wallet or enter your address. They'll send you test ETH. Usually takes a few minutes. Get yourself at least half an ETH. More if you can. It costs nothing and you'll need it for deployments and testing. While you're waiting, open MetaMask. You need to add Sepolia network. Click the network, drop down at the top. If you don't see Sepolia listed, go to chainlist.org, search Sepolia, click add to MetaMask, done. Now you're connected to testnet. Switching networks is how you control whether you're spending real money or fake money. Always double check before you deploy. Mainnet costs real ETH, Sepolia costs nothing. Now, for the fun part. Open remix.ethereum.org. This is your development environment. Professional grade, browser-based, no installation required. This is where Uniswap was developed, where Aave started, where billion-dollar protocols began their journey. You're using the same tools as the biggest players in the space. Click Create New File, name it mytoken.sol. That .sol extension is your contract's identity. Without it, nothing works. Here's where most people fail. They try to write contracts from scratch. Don't. Even experienced auditors miss bugs. You will miss bugs. Instead, use OpenZeppelin. OpenZeppelin contracts have secured billions of dollars. They're battle-tested, professionally audited, continuously updated. Using them isn't cutting corners. It's industry best practice. Check the description. I've included a link to my GitHub with a ready-to-use token template. Copy it, paste it into Remix. Done. You now have a professional token contract with name, symbol, supply, and decimals all configured. No coding required. Copy-paste done. I'm showing you the basics right now. But if you want my complete production-ready template with advanced features like anti-whale mechanics, auto liquidity, and owner controls, connect with me on Telegram. Link in description. I give it away completely free. No gatekeeping, no email required. Just message me. Now compile your contract. Click the S icon on the left sidebar. Set your Solidity version to 0.8.20 or higher. This matters. The compiler version must match your contract's pragma declaration. Mismatch equals failure. Click compile mytoken.sol. Wait for the green checkmark. That checkmark means your contract is ready. It's compiled to bytecode, ready to live on a blockchain. Here's where everything comes together. Click deploy and run transactions. This is where your contract meets the chain. Look at the environment dropdown. This is the moment of truth. Click it. Select injected provider MetaMask. This connects Remix to your actual wallet. Your MetaMask will pop up asking for connection. Approve it. Now check which network you're on. MetaMask should say Sepolia at the top. If it says Ethereum mainnet stop immediately, you're about to spend real money. Switch to Sepolia. I'm serious. Check every single time. This one habit will save you thousands of dollars. Wallet connected. Sepolia confirmed. Test ETH loaded. Click deploy. MetaMask pops up with a transaction request. You'll see a gas estimate, probably around 0.001 ETH. This is fake ETH, test ETH. Costs you nothing. Click confirm. Your transaction broadcasts to Sepolia. Wait about 30 seconds, sometimes faster, sometimes a minute. Then your contract is live. Your token exists on a real blockchain. Real address, real transaction, real verification on Etherscan. Go to sepolia.etherscan.io. Paste your contract address. You'll see everything. Your deployment transaction, your token name, your symbol, your total supply, your wallet holding 100%. That's permanent. That's immutable. That's a blockchain. And you did it. You deployed a real smart contract using the exact workflow professionals use. Let me tell you why this matters. Every person making serious money in crypto understands what you just did. They can deploy, they can build, they can execute. The people just buying tokens and hoping, they're at the mercy of the market. The people building, they create value, they launch projects, they capture upside on both sides. The skill you're learning right now is the foundation. Subscribe if you haven't already. More content coming that builds on this. Here's what I want you to do next. Deploy 5 tokens this week on Sepolia. Different names, different supplies, add functions, try minting, try burning, break things, read error messages, Google Solutions. Every mistake is free education. Every failed transaction teaches you something. By the end of the week, you'll understand smart contracts better than 90% of people in crypto. That's not hype. That's just facts. Now, here's the reality check. Deploying is step 1, the easy part. The hard part is everything after. Liquidity, community, product market fit. You can have the cleanest contract in the world and still fail if nobody cares. But here's the thing. You can't even start without this skill. And now you have it. That's leverage. Connect with me on Telegram for pre-audited contracts, deployment playbooks, and a community of builders. Link in description. Also grab my free contract template while you're there. Completely free. Just message me. You came into this video wondering how people make millions in crypto. Now you know one piece of the puzzle. You can deploy, you can build, you can execute. That's more than most people will ever do. The rest is up to you. Deploy, learn, break things, fix them, deploy again. That's the path. That's how real builders are made. This is Wolver. The Forge is lit. Go build something.